Ever experienced dim headlights, weak engine performance, or unexpected battery issues? Meet the Cardition Vehicle Current Stabilizer, a smart solution to enhance your car's electrical performance. Installing the Cardition Stabilizer is quick and simple. Just connect it to your vehicle's battery terminals, no special tools required. The Cardition Stabilizer regulates your vehicle's electrical current, ensuring stable voltage flow. This means brighter headlights, smoother engine starts, and improved fuel efficiency. By stabilizing voltage spikes and power fluctuations, the Cardition helps protect your car's electronics from your stereo system to your dashboard controls. With stable power flow, your engine runs smoother, reducing strain and extending battery life, perfect for older vehicles or those with heavy electronics.
Make me wanna take flight. I do. This life is a dark night. Your love is a nightlight. My hands wanna hold tight.
Ready to take your adventures to the next level? Meet the Notix Universal Adventure Roof Rack, the ultimate solution for carrying your gear, no matter where the road takes you. The Notix Roof Rack is designed to fit any vehicle with roof rails, SUVs, sedans, or crossovers. Its adjustable mounting system makes installation quick and hassle-free, no drilling required. Built from high-strength aluminum, the Notix Rack is lightweight yet incredibly durable. With a load capacity of up to 165 pounds, 75 kilograms, you can carry bikes, kayaks, skis, or camping gear with total confidence. The Notix Rack features anti-slip rubber grips and lockable clamps to keep your cargo firmly in place even on bumpy off-road trails or high-speed highways. Whether you're heading for a weekend getaway, mountain adventure, or beach trip, the Notix Roof Rack ensures your gear arrives safe and sound.
Just wait till the next time. I always do.
Tired of your phone slipping, sliding, or falling while you drive? Meet the BlueJ Car Mount, a smart and secure way to keep your phone in place no matter how bumpy the road gets. The BlueJ Car Mount is designed for one-hand operation and installs in seconds. Simply clip it to your dashboard, windshield, or air vent, no tools required. Equipped with powerful magnets and a non-slip silicone pad, the BlueJ ensures your phone stays firmly in place even on sharp turns or sudden stops. Need the perfect viewing angle? The BlueJ's 360 degrees rotation gives you complete flexibility, ideal for GPS navigation, hands-free calls, or music control. With its quick-release design, grabbing your phone when you arrive is effortless, no fiddling with clamps or levers. For commuters, road trippers, or busy drivers, the BlueJ Car Mount is a must-have for safer and smarter driving. Stay focused, stay secure, and let BlueJ handle the rest.
I wanna cozy up with you. Fire golden and Joni's blue. I wanna float.
Meet the Lowbox GPS Tracker OBD, your all-in-one solution for smarter, safer driving. Installing the Lowbox GPS Tracker is as simple as plugging it into your car's OBD2 port, no tools, no wiring, and no hassle. With its powerful GPS system, the Lowbox gives you real-time location updates directly on your smartphone, perfect for tracking your car, whether you're at home or halfway across the country. Powered by Internet of Vehicle (IoT) technology, the Lowbox doesn't just track your car, it provides detailed insights like speed monitoring, driving behavior, and maintenance alerts to keep your vehicle in top shape. Get instant alerts if your vehicle is moved unexpectedly or if someone tries to tamper with it, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Need to monitor multiple vehicles? The Lowbox app makes it easy to manage family cars or even a small business fleet, ensuring everyone stays safe and accountable. For improved security, smarter insights, and real-time tracking, the Lowbox GPS Tracker OBD is a must-have for modern drivers. Keep your car connected and protected wherever you go. Struggling to keep your phone stable while driving? Meet the Put 2 Go Car Mount, the ultimate solution for hands-free convenience and safety on the road. The Put 2 Go uses a magnetic mount for instant attachment, no clips, clamps, or complicated adjustments required. Its strong magnetic hold keeps your phone firmly in place even on sharp turns, bumpy roads, or sudden stops. Need the perfect view? The 360-degree swivel design allows you to adjust your phone's position for optimal visibility, perfect for GPS navigation, calls, or music control. The Put 2 Go is designed with wireless charging support, so your phone stays powered up while you stay focused on the road. With its one-hand operation, mounting and removing your phone is quick, easy, and distraction-free. For commuters, road trippers, or everyday drivers, the Put 2 Go car mount is the perfect blend of convenience, stability, and style. Keep your phone secure and your focus on the road. Grab yours today.
I wanna cozy up with you. Fire golden and Joni's blue. I wanna float away with you. River running to somewhere new with you.
Looking for a car charger that's fast, smart, and built to last? Meet the ZUS Smart Car Charger, the ultimate charging companion designed for convenience and reliability. The ZUS charger isn't just powerful, it's engineered with military-grade materials for extra durability and heat resistance.
Take flight.
Plus, its elegant LED lighting makes it easy to find in low light.
This life is
Equipped with smart device detection, the ZUS intelligently identifies your device and delivers the fastest possible charge, up to 2x faster than standard chargers. Whether you're powering your phone, tablet, or GPS device, the ZUS ensures fast and efficient charging, saving you time on every trip. Forget where you parked? The ZUS app uses Bluetooth connectivity to guide you back to your car. No more aimless searching in crowded parking lots. Stay ahead of car troubles. The ZUS app also monitors your car's battery voltage and alerts you to potential issues, giving you peace of mind on the road. Want to stay focused on the road without missing important info? Meet the SkyScreen HUD, a futuristic head-up display that keeps your driving data right in your line of sight. The SkyScreen HUD projects real-time data like speed, GPS directions, and even safety alerts, all without taking your eyes off the road.
this time.
Whether it's bright daylight or nighttime driving, the SkyScreen HUD adjusts its brightness automatically, ensuring clear visibility at all times. Easily sync the SkyScreen HUD with your smartphone via Bluetooth, giving you instant access to navigation, calls, and messages, all displayed safely on your windshield. From speed warnings to engine alerts, the SkyScreen HUD keeps you informed about your vehicle's status, helping you stay safe and avoid costly repairs. For smarter, safer, and distraction-free driving, the SkyScreen HUD is a must-have for every car owner. Stay informed without taking your eyes off the road. Upgrade your driving experience today.